So let's take a look at how to enter something into a Google Sheet if someone has shared it with you with editing permissions. So the first thing you need to do is go out to your App Store and load the Google Sheet app. Otherwise, on a phone, it probably won't work well. So you're going to be looking for Sheets, or you can type in Google Sheets. And when you find it, it looks like this one here with the green, and go ahead and make sure that you download that app. Then you can go to the link that someone sent you and go ahead and open up that link. Once you get to the link, then you're going to tap on the cell that you want to edit. And once you do that, you'll see down below the little editing tool and the number shows up, or whatever that's already in that cell. This cell has a 22. So I click on the little editing app. And now I can add whatever I want in there with numbers, letters, whatever it is that I'm looking to add into that particular cell. When I'm finished, I can hit this little check mark, and that will just save whatever's in that cell and take me back out of the editing mode. Hope that helps you get started with editing a spreadsheet, Google Sheet that someone else has sent you in editing mode.